We're in the people business. We're here to serve our guests. So we want someone that's passionate, that's creative. Added skills or experience are a benefit, but it's not required. We're going to teach you everything you need to be successful, but we're looking for someone that truly cares. The type of person that should apply and participate in the program is someone who is wanting to level up in their career. You know, perhaps you've worked at different restaurants or hotels at one point in time, but you see, a future in leadership, or you want to pave the way for an idea that you have within hospitality. You might be the right candidate then. We're looking for somebody who's driven, who's determined, and has an end goal in mind. One thing that's really special about our culture here at Fairmount Austin is that we have this approach called Hardest. And what that is it's about getting to know the individual. It's about human connection. So it doesn't matter if it's a guest or an employee. When you care about the person and their story, it kind of unites us. So we like to take the process out of service and break it down where it's much more approachable and genuine. So if that's something that speaks to you, you might be the right fit.